Welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to get an erected tension ring onto your cylinder using a cone. Probably the simplest way to load a tension ring onto the cylinder of your vacuum erection device is just do it manually. So when I want to do that, I take the cylinder, I've got the pump attached, I can do that. I can also do it without the pump attached to it and just do it like this. But I want to put it on a surface here, like right between my legs. And then I want to take the tension ring and don't pull out on these. I want to pull out on these the inside diameter here. And then I just want to get it good and wide, straddle the cylinder, and I'm in a good place with that. That's the manual way to do that. Now you also have the option of using a cone that goes on the inside of the cylinder. If you're using those inserts or those bushings that come with your system, make sure you take those out so that this will fit inside just like that. So nice and snug, and you're ready to go. Now the key here is the water-based lubricant that comes with your system. I want to make sure that I lubricate the inside of this erected tension ring. I also want to make sure that I've lubricated so that it slides down and doesn't roll on itself. Just be patient with this process. You might not get it right the first time, but it works. So I've got good lubrication here. I've got good lubrication on the inside of the erected tension ring. And I put the cone inside the cylinder. It's in a nice, safe, secure spot here between my legs and on the seat. And then I'm not going to pull out here. I want to really push on the fattier part of this tension ring. So I get it down on here. I'm just going to push down so that it gets onto the cylinder. If it gets a little too low, I just adjust and I'm ready to go. I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, you can write to us at education@timmedical.com, and we'll do the very best we can to help you. We want you to be successful, and we believe that this is a great tool for getting the tension ring onto the edge of the cylinder so that you can then build your erection, transfer this off, and be able to maintain that erection.